Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. This tutorial is about using urine samples in diagnostic tests. So, we are going to see how can urine samples be used in medical tests. First of all, the question here is, why urine, or what makes urine a good sample for medical tests? Urine contains water, urea, mineral salts, and much more. It contains the breakdown products of a whole range of chemicals, including hormones and any toxins taken into the body. So, if you're affected by one of a number of different diseases, a new substance will show up in your urine. So, urine samples can provide a detailed feedback or profile about your well-being. The first important medical test that relies on urine is the pregnancy test. A woman can know if she's pregnant or not from her urine sample. First of all, it is important to know that the human embryo implants in the uterus around 6 days after the conception. The site of the developing placenta then begins to produce a chemical called human chorionic gonadotropin, shortcut for HCG. This hormone is found in the blood and in the urine of the mother or the pregnant woman. Now this HCG chemical is detected in the urine once it binds to the monoclonal antibodies found in the test. So we are now going to see how the process takes place inside the pregnancy test. The main stages in the pregnancy tests are as follows. First of all, the wick is sucked in the first urine pass in the morning, since this will give the highest levels of HCG. The test contains mobile monoclonal antibodies that have very small colored beads attached to them. These beads or these monoclonal antibodies will bind only to HCG. So, if the woman is pregnant, the HCG in her urine binds to the mobile monoclonal antibodies and then forms an HCG antibody complex. After that, the urine carries on along the test structure until it reaches a window. Here, there are immobilized monoclonal antibodies arranged in a line or a pattern such as a positive sign that only binds to the HCG antibody complex that was formed earlier if the woman is pregnant. So, if the woman is pregnant, a colored line or pattern appears in the first window. The urine continues up through the test to a second window. Here, there's usually a line of immobilized monoclonal antibodies that bind only to the mobile antibodies. So, regardless of whether they are bound to HCG or not, this colored line forms regardless of whether the woman is pregnant or no. So, it simply indicates that the test is working. If the woman is pregnant, two colored patterns appear, and if she is not, only one appears. Another test which can be used by the urine is the drug test. Urine is tested for the presence of many different drugs, including alcohol. Because drugs are metabolites, the breakdown products of drugs are filtered through the kidneys and stored in the bladder. So, It is possible to find drug traces in the urine sometime after a drug has been used.